How to change country in Google Play Store in India. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Google Play Store application, then click on the top right corner, and after that, you need to click on Payments and Subscriptions. Then from here, you need to click on Payment Methods. As soon as you click on it, you need to select More Payment Settings from here. After clicking on this, you need to click on the three lines on the left side, and from there click on Settings. As soon as you click on Settings, you need to click on the Country Region option here. From here, click on Create New Profile. Now you need to click on Continue. After continuing, you need to select your country here, whichever country you desire. For example, here I search for and select USA, and then you need to click on Continue. After that, you need to enter address 1 and address 2. Whatever you want to enter, after that you will enter the zip code here and then you will submit. So this is how you can change the country in the Play Store. So that was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.